How to install your trailer tire and wheel. Step 1, take your trailer and put it on a level surface. Next step is to get a jack and jack up that trailer. Make sure the tires are safely off the ground. Using whatever tools you like, remove your lug nuts. Once that's finished, remove your tire and wheel assembly. Now it's time to repeat everything you just did in the reverse order. So put your tire back on your trailer, hand screw the lug nuts back on, tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern as shown. And then lower your trailer. Take your torque wrench, torque your lug nuts to spec using the torque wrench in a star pattern. Once that's finished, you're good to go.